Building Doctor Plaster Bond SBR is a product used to attain maximum adhesion when plastering over old walls. The special features of Building Doctor Plaster Bond SBR are: it acts as a passivator, provides high bonding strength, is best suited for repair works, is easy to apply, and is long-lasting. It can be used on old walls, AAC blocks, fly ash bricks, damaged wall areas, columns and beams, and joint construction areas as a bonding agent in walls. Now let us see how to use this product. Before using Building Doctor Plaster Bond SBR, ensure you are ready with all the tools shown in the visual. Before using this product, it is mandatory to wear appropriate protective gear. If there is any fossil, dirt, cement particles or paint on the outer surface of the usage area, it should be cleaned thoroughly before using Building Doctor Plaster Bond SBR. Mix cement and Plaster Bond SBR liquid thoroughly in a 1:1 ratio using a mixer. The wall surface should be dampened before applying Plaster Bond SBR. Since old walls are often dehydrated, they may absorb water from the mixture and reduce bonding strength if not properly moistened. Before applying Building Doctor Plaster Bond SBR, ensure that the cement mix is ready. While applying, make sure that the prepared cement plaster is applied before the coating dries. This product is specifically used to ensure strong bonding between old walls and new plaster and should not be used for bonding old concrete with new concrete. For that purpose, Building Doctor Concrete Bond should be used. Let us now see the effectiveness of Building Doctor Plaster Bond SBR through an experiment. You can now observe how it provides excellent bonding to walls and performs with strong adhesion. The pot life of Building Doctor Plaster Bond SBR may vary depending on temperature and other site conditions. Before using this product, carefully follow all the instructions shown in the visual.